Hello guys! So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make my eyebrow, the Plakadong kilay, using Anastasia Pomade with the shade of dark brown. Yes, it's dark brown. Hindi lang siya kita sa screen. Ayaw niyang mag-focus. So there you are. Here's my Anastasia Pomade. And we're gonna use also the Anastasia brush. First, I'm gonna brush my kilay upward through the tip of my eyebrow. Ayan. Tip ko lang siya ng konti. Yes, konti lang guys. At first is magdi-draw muna ako ng line. Ayan. Perfect line. Perfect line talaga naman. Yes, and then i-fill in ko siya and i-brush ko yung kilay ko, syempre. Ano pa bang iba akong i-brush? And first is draw a line. And fill in. After that, ibabrush natin siya. So, to make it plakado, I'm gonna use a concealer, eyebrow concealer, and eyebrow concealer brush.